Hi there, it's just a quick review of the Harbor Freight spot weld removal drill. I've done quite a few of them already. Real happy with it. Buzzes right through pretty quick. I actually bought two of them, figuring maybe I'd wear them out pretty quick, but I'm still on the first side of the first bit. So let's try one right here. It does like to jump off where you're supposed to be if you're dealing with a rusty one. And we're through. Kind of a messy one. That's what happens when you try to do it one-handed. But I would say it works pretty good.